Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Pooja Bhardwaj. Today, I will talk about business communication, which is your subject since your coming semester. So, uh, as far as we are concerned with the communication, communication is a success in workplace is closely associated with the ability to communicate effectively, both in the workplace and with outsiders. Unlike in the past, today we face a highly volatile world where everything is in a state of flux. In this type of situations or world, only the communication is the way or medium which can cope up with ourselves with the effective manner. So let's start with communications meaning. It is nearly impossible to go through a day without a communication uses. We can't say that okay, without communications we can say anything, we can transfer our ideas, we can exchange our views. It is a exchanging views methods to each other. Communication is sending and receiving information to two or more people. The person sending the message to other one called as a sender, and who is a receiving that message, he or she is called as a receiver, and vice versa. Other form of communication is non-verbal communication. In non-verbal communication, you can say it includes like your hand gestures, your facial expressions, your gestures, your senses, all are also included as a communications types, but it are not including in a verbal communication. There is no need to speak something to convey the things. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब आप कोई घर में खाना बनता है तो आप एक खुशबू से बता देते हैं कि वाओ व्हाट अरोमा, मतलब कितनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है, आज कुछ अच्छा बना है. तो वो खुशबू ने आपको कम्युनिकेट कर दिया है कि क्या बना है, किसी ने बताकर नहीं बताया है. सो लाइक दिस इट इंक्लूड्स शेकिंग हैंड्स, patting the back, hugging, ousting or other type of touch. Here are the some definitions which are renowned writers. One of this, the Raidu. Raidu said that communication is the process of exchanging information, usually through a common system of symbols. It takes a wide variety of form to form, face-to-face conversation, and hand signal to message sent over the globally telecommunication network. According to Raidu, Raidu includes the verbal and non-verbal communications both. He said that communication include all the systems which can pass your ideas, your thoughts, your views to the globally network the communications. It is a process by which information is exchanged between individuals through a common system of symbols, sign, or behavior. So the communication word arise from the Latin word. It is a communicare. Here you can see this. The word communication has a rich history. It has a very rich history, a very vast history. The term communication has a rich history. It comes from the Latin word communicare, Cummunicare, communicare. But the Latin word roots communicare has three possible meaning. The one word communicare has three possible meaning, by which first one is to make common, to make the things common, किसी भी चीज को common कर देना. Second is come plus munus, that is adding gift to share mutual donation. मतलब आप एक दूसरे की नॉलेज को एक्सचेंज करके उसकी नॉलेज में एनहेंसमेंट कर रहे हैं, एडिंग कर रहे हैं. थर्ड वन इज come plus munire. Come plus munire means building together the difference is a wall of the city. So the communication is to inform, to tell, to show, spread information. Communication depend interperceptions of message by the listeners. It is likely to be depend, it is most likely to be depend to the listener also. So it is a saying that you have to be a good listener to learn something good. कुछ अच्छा सीखने के लिए, कुछ सीखने के लिए आपको सबसे पहले एक अच्छा श्रोता होना जरूरी है. You have to be a good listener. Until unless you are not a listener or a good listener, you can't be learned effectively. So What is the future of business communications? Business communications, as we all are aware, in the business scenario, everywhere is a commercialized or global world. We need to be communicate each other. It deals with various commercial and industrial subjects. It is characterized by certain formats, elements such as commercial and technological words, the use of graphics and audio visual aids, and conventional format. Conventional format means whatever is the written, and trendy format is emails, व्हाट्सएप, आप किसी भी तरह से मैसेज कर रहे हैं, आप लेटर लिख कर नहीं भेज रहे हैं, ऑडियो विजुअल एड्स इन्वर्ट जो भी कमर्शियल है वो सब उसमें ऐड की जाती है. इट इज इम्पार्शियल एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव एज एक्सट्रीम केयर इज टेकन टू कन्वे इंफॉर्मेशन एक्यूरेटली. इट एंटेल्स कॉम्प्लेक्स राइटिंग टेक्निक्स एंड प्रोसीजर्स. कम्युनिकेशन बिकम्स इफेक्टिव. आप क्वेश्चन आता है कि ये इफेक्टिव कब बनेगा? व्हाट वी हैव टू ऐड टू मेक आवर कम्युनिकेशन is effective. Communication becomes effective only when the language used is effective, the message conveyed in clear and predeterminate purpose is achieved. Means जब आप किसी से बात करते हैं तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि सामने जो सुनने वाला है, जो रिसीवर है आपके मैसेज का, वो किस लैंग्वेज में आपसे कंफर्टेबल है, उसका वे ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग और द लेवल ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग कितना है. तो देन you have to come on that level and then convey your message. Only that time your message will be effectively communicate. The use of effective language to convey a clear business message to achieve a predeterminate objective or purpose. Next, what is the characteristics of business communications? Here, according to George Terry, he says that a two-way traffic, simple talking or writing without regard to recipient response is conducive is misunderstanding. Means जॉर्ज टेरी ने बोला है कि टू वे ट्रैफिक होना जरूरी है. इट इज नॉट अ वन वे ट्रैफिक. केवल एक साइड से आप बोलते रहते हैं, रिसीवर से जब तक आपको सामने से सेंडिंग नहीं आएगा, देन इट कैन नॉट बी इफेक्टिव. सो कम्युनिकेशन इज अ two-way traffic according to George Terry. Communication is the continuous process. It is repeated to achieve the desired result. Until unless you are not achieving your result or your goals, whatever you pre-decided to achieve, that you are trying to again and again to communicate the things to the receiver to achieve your desired result. A short-lived process. ये बहुत छोटा प्रोसेस होता है कि आपने बात बोला, सामने से रिप्लाई आया, खत्म. इसको बहुत लंबा, इट इज नॉट अ लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोसेस, इट इज अ शॉर्ट लिव्ड प्रोसेस. नीड अ प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. इट शुड बी क्लियरली एंड कंसिसली वर्डेड. क्लियर होना चाहिए, कंसाइसली होना चाहिए, मतलब बहुत ही थोड़े शब्दों में आपकी बात पूरी. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने 4-5 पेज लिख दिए लेकिन जो आप कहना चाह रहे हैं उस वो कहीं भी आप उसको मेंशन नहीं कर पाए या उससे उसका मीन नहीं निकल रहा है. लीड्स टू अचीवमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. डिस्पेल्स मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स. जितनी आप बातें करते हैं, बोलते हैं ना कि चुप रहने से अच्छा बात करना है. अगर आप बात करते हैं तो आप मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स को कम करते हैं. नाउ importance of business communications. Now what are the importance of business communication? For this, there are so many importance, and it is a huge importance of business communications in present scenario or global world in the business. Effective business communications helps to build a good relationship between the employer and the staff, which can instructly productivity and the company's bottom line too. Increase productivity. Of how the communication increase the productivity? Because it includes internal and external production and supply. By the communications, you can only transfer your views, you transfer your ideas, transfer your budget. All are the information you transfer from the internal and external production and supply. Improve business partnership. जितना आपका कम्युनिकेशन क्लियर होगा, ट्रांसपेरेंट होगा, उतना ज्यादा आपकी पार्टनरशिप इंप्रूव रहेगी, स्टेबल रहेगी. फैसिलिटेट बिजनेस इनोवेशन. सो communication is the most vital integrants of the organization. In fact, an organization can't be run without an effective communication system in place. The achievement of the organizational objectives largely depends upon proper coordination and integration of human efforts in organizations. So you can say this by the all the reading, all the understanding of communication. Thus, we can easily say that is communication is the essence of organization effectiveness and act as a social glue that keeps an organization together. Means that communication work as a glue to keeps organization together. एक glue की तरह काम करता है communication. जितना clear होगा, जितना transparent होगा, जितना prompt होगा, जितना accurate होगा, उतना ज़्यादा organization एक साथ मिलकर काम करता है और grow करता है. What is the benefits of effective communications? Here are some benefits of business communications. It is, first one is enhance professional image. By the way that you speak, respond to other, more expensive, it is understandable to receive. जैसे आप बात करते हो, आपने किसी को कुछ लिख कर भेजा, तो वो उतना इफेक्टिव नहीं होगा जब आप वन टू वन बात करते तो आपके हैंड जेस्चर्स, आपकी बॉडी जेस्चर्स, आपकी पर्सनैलिटी और आपका ऑरा, वो भी आपके साथ कम्युनिकेट कर रहा है आपकी चीजों को, तो डेट विल बी मोर effective. Increase productivity. Obviously, it increase productivity of the organizations. Effective communication should be good the work effectively. Instead, if we industries the motivational level with increase the productivity. Decision of the managers should be spread to everyone and clear to all everyone. डिसीजन जो मैनेजर्स का होता है वो जब सबको कम्युनिकेट हो जाएगा इजीली और क्लियरली, तो उससे जितने भी आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के एम्प्लॉयज है उनकी प्रोडक्टिविटी ग्राफ इंक्रीज होगा. स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन मेकिंग. Manager is responsible for the decision making and the communication is the way or helps to the managers to take the decision appropriately. Quicker problem solving. Only communication is the way which can solve the problem of organization in a meantime or very quickly the solve the problem of organizations, because workers and they can attach the emotionally, because the emotions of the workers, employees and the management are works together with the while they communicate with each other. Improve consumer relations. The communication should be clean and transparent. Rules and facilitate should be clear and reach to the consumer. Next is awareness among employee. Awareness among employee means rules should be clear to employee. Until unless we are not communicating the rules and regulations of the organization to employee, the employee has in dilemma to what to do and what not to do. So direct communication with employees can reduce the consumptions of time too. Thus, lesser misunderstanding. By the communication, we can less the misunderstandings among the employees and the management or managers too. Better quality documentation. While we are communicate with each other or communicate to other, we have a clear vision to what to write and what had to be documented. So therefore communication is linked to managerial performance. Almost everything a manager does involves communications. He or she can't make decision without adequate information, and to obtain this information he or she needs to be communicate. So to make their functions more effectively, every manager has to be communicate with their employees or management too. Now, what is the functions of communications? Communications के functions क्या क्या होते हैं, क्या क्या काम कर रहा है function में communication? So communication serves four major functions. There are four major functions. First one is information. In information, It is a slab to informations that downward moving communications जो मैनेजमेंट टॉप से बॉटम की तरफ आता है, देन अपवर्ड मूविंग जो बॉटम से टॉप की तरफ जाता है, देन हॉरिजॉन्टिकल मूविंग जो आप अपने सेम लेवल पर पीयर लेवल से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. देन कंट्रोल्स. Controls refers to the power of influence the people behavior. By by the way of communications, you are able to control the people's behavior. आप अपनी कम्युनिकेशन से ही पीपल के बिहेवियर को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. देन मोटिवेशन. इट इज अ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन दैट only the method of communications or to communicate the motivated thoughts or motivating things, you can motivate your employees to increase their production and life they live in the organizations. Then emotional expressions. Emotional expressions refers to the functions of the communications in expressing out the feelings. So next is the mechanism work entirely on the basis of communications. In this content, communications provide a release for their emotional expressions. All the four functions of communications are equal importance, have equal importance in an organization because they interact for making decision, they pursue to be performed effectively, they exercise some form of control in order to check their behavior. नेक्स्ट इज एसेंशियल्स ऑफ गुड कम्युनिकेशंस. अब क्या क्या होना चाहिए एक कम्युनिकेशंस को अच्छा बनाने के लिए. सबसे पहला होना चाहिए clarity of information. Until unless you are not clear about your thoughts, your ideas, your information, or you are not sure about your information, it is not supposed to be passed on to the रिसीवर. जब तक आप खुद से कंफर्म नहीं हो कि आपके पास जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो अच्छी है, वो प्रूव्ड है, वो सही है, वो फैक्चुअल है, सो द इंफॉर्मेशन शुड बी फैक्चुअल. To tarry, first initial of communication is to inform yourself fully. तो मीन्स सबसे पहले आप उस इंफॉर्मेशन को अपने आप से क्लियर करिए, वेरीफाई करिए, पूरी तरह से उसको एनालाइज करिए, देन ट्रांसफर टू अनदर वन. देन एडुकेट ऑफ मैसेज. To receiver intellectual which is understandable to receiver, as we discussed earlier that जो भी receiver है according to him or her, you have to send your information, you have to use your words, you have to use your language, or you have to use that level for the according to receiver. कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ मैसेज, कंटिन्यूस एंड क्लियरिटी ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक इंफॉर्मेशन आज दी उससे रिलेटेड फिर 10 दिन बाद दे रहे हैं. नो, देयर शुड बी सम कंटिन्यूटी एंड क्लियरिटी ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन टू मेक द कम्युनिकेशंस इफेक्टिव. देन फीडबैक. अब आपको फीडबैक भी लेना है कि आपको ये समझ आया नहीं आया. सपोज करिए एक टीचर लेक्चर लेता है, कुछ चीज समझाता है क्लास में, फिर वो वापस बच्चों से पूछता है कि आप यू अंडरस्टैंड, इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल. तो वो अगर क्लियर नहीं है तो बोलते हैं नो मैम आई हैव अ डाउट और वी हैव अ डाउट, तो वो क्लियर करता है. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ फीडबैक. देन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द रिसीवर. देन consultations, knowing everything new. We consult doctor for diseases for which we are suffering. कंसल्टेशन मीन्स जिस जो चीज आपको नहीं पता है उसके एक्सपर्ट से आपको कंसल्ट करके ही इंफॉर्मेशन पास ऑन करनी चाहिए. डिटरमाइन द मीडियम. You have to decide the determine the medium by which you convey your message to the receiver. And that medium should be appropriate according to the receiver. Tone and control, timing and timeliness, support with action, listening. By listening carefully we can express in our own word. जितना अच्छा आप सुनते हैं उतना अच्छा आप एक्सप्लेन भी कर सकते हैं. Environment of trust and confidence. Believing other is help in communication. Fishers has pointed out that communication grows best in a climate of trust and confidence by reporting facts honestly. जब तक आप किसी पे विश्वास नहीं करते हैं तब तक आप किसी भी तरह का कम्युनिकेशन इफेक्टिव नहीं बना सकते हैं। तो आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस और एक माहौल होना चाहिए, एक वातावरण होना चाहिए ट्रस्ट का कि यस, अगर ऐसा इन्होंने बोला है तो ये सही है। कीपिंग द सिस्टम ऑलवेज अलाइव, हमेशा कम्युनिकेशन के लिए डोर्स ओपन रखने चाहिए, कभी भी उसको क्लोज नहीं करना चाहिए। सो सिस्टम शुड बी ऑलवेज अलाइव टू कम्युनिकेट एंड क्लेरिफाई योर इंफॉर्मेशन। सो स्टूडेंट्स, that's all for today. It is that business communications, so we has to reach on the conclusion. This is business communication play a vital role in business success. Communication means more than just giving out message. It involves speaking, listening, sending and receiving messages. So that's all for today. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hope you understand all the things very much clearly. Thank you so much.